Y'all, welcome back to Homestead. This is like take 9 of this video. We are inside. I just didn't want to film outside today. It's hot, it's humid, it's muggy. It could rain any minute. The dogs are inside. We're just curled up. Yesterday, believe it or not, I cooked soup. It's rained so much I was in the mood for soup. And we've hit the 80s, so, you know, we're ready to break out sweaters down here in Alabama. So, anyways, it's a break from 98. But anyways, welcome back to the channel. Guys, give yourselves a pat on the back. We broke 4,200 subscribers today. So congratulations. I always say you guys built this channel. Not me, you did. It was your hard work and y'all's support. We didn't have anybody backing us. This is all y'all, okay? And it's very hard on YouTube if you don't have a backer. You know, somebody trying to promote you or whatever. So thank you to everyone that's on this channel. Now, with that being said, we've done a lot of different stuff lately. And in fact, I've got a video on depression glass, collecting it, coming up here shortly. I don't know when it'll upload. It's a long video. I've done some different things. And I really would like to know what y'all want to see. I've asked this before. I don't know if people weren't watching that video or what, but I'll title this something to get everybody's attention so they'll comment below and let us know what you want to see. I've done preparedness videos. I've done cooking videos. I've done canning videos. The canning I can only show you so much because I'm only growing certain things, and I've really shown you all that I'm canning right now, like pumpkin, salsa, diced tomatoes, the same stuff over and over. If I get something new in, like potatoes or anything else, I'll show you that. Last summer, I did not film every little thing that I canned. I had so much going on, though, and we took a break last summer. It's hard to film in July for us, apparently. It's always around July that we want to stop. And I'm going to keep going this year. It's so hot and the gardens are puttering out here. And it's just hard to come up with content. So I want to know what you guys want to see. We've done talking videos. I love to sit and talk about current events. The problem is that gets very controversial very quick. And we just stop that. I do like the Standing on the Promises videos. I should have one of those coming out this week, where they're nonprofit, just talking about religion and Christianity. I'm trying to think what else. Preparedness videos. We've done those. Are you prepared? A lot of people really got to the channel over that, but there's only certain things I can talk about, it seems to me. I feel like otherwise I'm beating a dead horse if I'm telling you over and over to go prepare and get canned food or prepare and get a manual can opener. Stuff like that. I'm taking it very any family can prepare this way, not for the apocalypse, but for the next power outage. That's how I was doing it. Now, most people are here because of our chicken videos. The problem is this summer we have not hatched any chickens. We did in the early spring. We rehomed those and that was it. I have just not hatched anymore. People are out of chickens right now. They're not wanting chickens around us. The chicken phase is over. People want to go to the beach. They don't want to sit at home and get a chicken sitter or take care of these chickens. And kind of the phase and craze is done with. And so I certainly don't want to incubate eggs just to show you guys that. We had a power failure with our last incubation round, so I just never picked back up. I was going to show y'all day after day. The power went out, the eggs were not viable, and it just went from there. So, we've had some trouble with that. As far as the animal videos, I've talked about genetics, like how to get a blue lace red Wyandotte. I've not talked to you about Lady Blue the chicken and following her around the yard every day. I know a lot of huge YouTube channels, over 1 million subscribers, will do this. That's just not for me, though. If y'all want me to try, I will. I'll try anything to inspire somebody, but it's just not what I personally want to see when I get on YouTube. But some people escape that way. They just want to get to a different reality. And I might try a couple of those. I don't even know what I would film. Just her coming out of the nest? I don't know. We don't have large animals here right now. And we're going in a move. I've put up several of those videos. They're very different off the wall, like restoring wood cabinets with some Old English. That's it. Painting, that's coming up next. I've done that. People really seem to like it. I can only put those up as we do, though, to restore everything. So stay tuned for that. But if y'all have any other ideas, let me know of what you like now. Let me know below. What content of these videos do you like now the most? What do you want to see more of? And what do you like the least? And that way we can try to gear this towards accommodating everybody. And you know, I thought, no, I need to do what I want to do. But guys, that's not the case. I'm going to do what you want me to do. Because, well, in essence, I'm still doing what I want to do by homesteading, but I'm here because of you guys. I have stopped YouTube so many times and started it back up because people were asking questions. People would email us. People would reach out to us and, where have you been? We miss you. You know, and it's all because of that we're still going. If you want to be a get-rich-quick YouTuber, guys, you're not going to have it for under 5,000 people, okay? It's going to pay the power bill. It's nice to have a little extra income, but it's not, no. People say you get rich, you know, type thing. You get more money if you get endorsements and you get sponsors. People give you stuff. I've sponsored stuff before, or I've shown you product reviews, like the Saker chainsaw. I loved it. I use it all the time. The Saker vacuum, I've been using it in the new house over and over and over, cleaning. And yes, the Saker scrubber I'm getting ready to use. I have not used it that much, but the stuff that I've shown you to use, I really do use, okay? And I enjoy it. So that little chainsaw to me was the best thing I've ever had sent to me. I've not had that much, but what I'm trying to say is, though, a lot of people, if you're trying to do YouTube, they'll want to send you stuff, and I guess that's part of the kickbacks. I don't know, but guys, y'all built this channel, and this is no thriving channel right now, but if you look at the other channels going on, I looked at one this morning. They had 1 million subscribers, and their last video had like 23,000 views. Well, I have 4,000 subscribers, and my canning jar video has hit over 4,000 views. So if you look at proportionally, we're doing well. We really are doing well. I know we've got a lot more subscribers than we do views on videos. And I know people are busy. I know in the past 2 months, you've not had a chance to watch YouTube. You've probably been watching the news or turned on to the next terrible event. I mean, so I understand completely. But let us know how we can grow. Let us know what you like, and let us know your thoughts. And I want you to help me get to 10,000. So if it's by improving content, you know, I got a little torp about that. I'm going to be honest. I can't lie. I did a whole video this morning on, hey, this is my channel, and it's not. The more I thought about it, I thought, no, it's not. It's y'all's channel. And we've been taking a lot of advice on the chin lately, okay? A lot of advice. And I think people are maybe trying to tell others in the comments instead of me what to do. But either way, it's discouraging. But I started thinking, no, I'm going to listen to everybody's advice. I'm going to do what they say. I had one person tell me this morning I didn't know how to germinate seeds. Y'all have seen my gardens, okay? You've seen me stack these plants up. You've seen me harvest it from seed to harvest. Y'all know what I'm about. I ain't going to let that bother me. So we're going to keep on trucking, and I just need y'all's help. So tell me what you like. Tell me what you don't like. Get some ideas going on what we could do, or anything that we could film or talk about. Y'all let me know below. Y'all help me get to 10,000. We'll see you guys next time on Harmon Homestead. And y'all support your channel. This is your channel. See you next time.